start with your right hand right here. And you push up with your right hand and grab it at the top to finish steering. That's hand over hand steering. And then you let it slide between your palms. When you push the gas, the wheel goes back to straight ahead. You just got to slow the wheel down if it's too fast, like spinning too fast. We'll keep going. Yeah, let's go straight. Kick back. 1, 2, and off we go. That guy looks like he's going to stop, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, just judging the speed or the distance of the vehicle. If they're going to run through the stop sign, it looks like they're going to run through the stop sign.
Yeah.
And you take evasive action. You avoid a collision. And we'll keep going. We'll make a right turn. No, let's make a left turn here. Sorry. Yeah, I'm a Gemini, so indecisive. Okay, yeah, we'll go straight here. This stop sign. So you're nailing all of the minor intersections, textbook style here. This is perfect. Not going to have any issues with this stuff. 2 stop signs, yeah, good. So you're more cautious when there's only 2 stop signs.
Yeah.
And at the stop sign, we're going to make a right turn. Stop here. And now crawling out, just kind of turn with the curb as you're turning, as you're crawling out here. Yeah, perfect. Alright, so now we're just going to keep going straight out to Kingsway. I lied to you earlier. I said we'd be staying on the back roads, right?
Yeah.
But I'm comfortable enough that with your driving that we could go on the main roads, and it's like there's no traffic either. So.
Yeah.
What is it, Saturday? Yeah, it's Saturday morning. It's got a broken tail light there.
Yeah.